So we all love our Clover notions. We know as makers and quilters, when they invented the Wonder Clip, it really revolutionized how I think most of us do binding. We still put our binding on, but the way we turn it to the background and secure it, which used to be with pins, and I was always getting poked, I'm sure you were too, we changed that to now be Wonder Clips. We all have these in our sewing room. They have the regular size as well as the mini size, and this is how we do it. Well, as Clover has progressed in time, they listen to makers around the world, and they sometimes re-engineer or make a brand new product that fits a need. This time it's called the Triple Wide Wonder Clip. I am so glad they've done this because we all know what that's like to have a Wonder Clip every so often, right? You're having to stop and remove those, stop and remove those. So I've attached my binding here to my placemat. And just like I normally would, I'm going to turn my binding to the back, but look at this Triple Wonder Clip. Look at the real estate that this clip will actually support. Isn't this incredible? So I don't have a little Wonder Clip every 2 or 3 inches. Look how far down I can put this next clip. They've made the Triple Wonder Clip available as a 6-pack or a 12-pack. That's an easy decision for me. I already know this is what I want to be doing. Now, in the corners here where we do some mitering, a lot of times we have an expression at Shabby that's called "and." I'm not completely abandoning our previous mini clips and our previous regular Wonder Clips, and that's because in these miter corners there's a technique that I like to do, and I like to flip it on this side. I'll show you how I do it. I fold this down, and sometimes I even press this with my iron. I come back over and I make that miter just like that. And you can see a big triple clip would be just a little bit too bulky. This is where I would come in with a regular Wonder Clip over in those corners, and I continue down. I'm going to be using these nice big beautiful triple clips, maybe even one on that side, and that's probably why you don't necessarily need more than 1 or 2 of the 12 packs. And once again, in this corner, we fold down, we press up. Let's come in with a regular Wonder Clip, okay? And then here we are on this side as well. Folding this down, here comes these big, beautiful triple clips. So Clover notions, these are made in Japan. They always put so much thought in what they're doing. And I would say, without exception, Clover notions are the best engineered notions that we use both here in a work setting as well as on a personal setting. And they truly solve problems, helping makers' world just be just more efficient, more accurate, like an extra pair of hands. So the new Clover Triple Wonder Clips are absolutely going to be added to my sewing room, and I know you're going to be wanting a set of those as well. So head to the Shabby website. We just put in another order. I have a feeling there's going to be probably a gap right now because everyone is being introduced to this incredible new notion. But hey, even if those are sold out when you get there, get on the waiting list, because we're going to be waiting for these to come in because they're absolutely worth it. Again, Clover's brand new notion, the Triple Wonder Clip. Head to the Shabby website to pick those up, the 6-pack, the 12-pack, whatever that works for you. And while you're there, just be sure to subscribe to our newsletter and sign up for Tax Right. It's always good to hear all the brand new happenings and things going on at Shabby Fabrics. Thanks for giving me a few minutes of your day to show you this exciting new notion available from Clover.